it's Rose from Bridgewater Public Library, and we're going to get snowed in today. So our winter, we're having a winter-themed program at the library. It began December 15th, running through February 28th. And it's through the Beanstack app, same app that we used over the summer. And we have some fantastic prizes, and we think, and I think, it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to give you a general summary of it, but there's more detail on the website, bridgewaterpubliclibrary.org. So you're going to, everyone that registers will get a snowflake, and we're going to paste all the snowflakes on our front windows at the library. So the more people that register, the more snowflakes you're going to see. And then for every 15 minutes that you read, you're going to get a snowball. And for every snowball, that's a chance to win a prize. There are other ways to earn snowballs besides reading. And when I say reading, we mean a regular book, an e-book, an audio book, mom or dad's reading to you. And this is for all ages, adults. We have some fantastic adult prizes. So you're going to take your snowball and you're going to decide which prize you want to win. And you can put all your snowballs, say you win 10 snowballs, and you really want to win one of the gift cards. You can put all your snowballs in a specific gift card or prize. Or you can spread them out. Say we have 10 prizes and you want a chance to win every single one. Some of the great prizes that we have, and huge shout out to all the local vendors that have given us a donation, a very generous donation. We've got Golf for 4 at the local Scotland Links. That's a fantastic prize. We've got a very generous gift card from Barrett's Ale House. It could feed a whole family, the amount that they gave us. And we have a gift bag from Black Hat Brew Works, which is a lot of fun. So I think some staff members want to win that one. So besides reading, there are other ways to earn snowballs. And one of them is watching these videos. And during our videos, during the program, I'm going to give you, and Mrs. Davis on her video, we're going to give you a special code word for that video. So you're going to go in, tell them, yes, I watched Art with Rose on December 17th. And what's the code word? And I'm going to tell you the code word, but not right now. I'm going to wait. So you have to keep watching. So other thing is make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video and a chance to win a snowball. Besides the virtual snowballs, you will see visual snowballs. We are going to be pasting snowballs in the back windows of the library for all the snowballs that are earned. So once a week, we'll be posting all these snowballs. So we're telling you to get snowed in. So we're asking you to just snow us in at the library. And you might see little characters in the windows as well that are getting snowed in. So keep your eyes out. So we think it's going to be a lot of fun and really hope you participate. So that is the winter theme. My painting today goes along with the winter theme, but before we get to the painting, we have our little, we've been getting ready for the holidays, and we've been making some gifts. And I have a little help. Yeah, he's never in the right spot. We'll see him. So I've got Ace has been one of Santa's little helpers, and we're gonna show you some of the things that we've been making. What have we been making? So these are all paint. They're extremely affordable. Everything I bought was $1 an item. So we've got some paw prints these were $1 wooden paw prints from Michael's. I painted them and then I resined them. and you can hang them. So these are some gifts. I've got about 6 of them here. And some of them, the colors go with someone's room, or you could do the colors that match the pet. We've got some ornaments. These were $1. And I've got a little Santa I painted. So the Santa and the peace signs, those were from the dollar store. And these were varnished, not resined. And everything else was resined. This was $1 from Michael's, wooden frame, painted and resined. I was going for some butterfly colors, and then I've got some wooden utensils that have been painted in resin as well. So you don't have to spend a lot of money. Look at my Ace. Did we spend a lot of money? No, we didn't. And you've got a piece of artwork and something very unique that no one else will have. So there are some ideas for you. Instead of your traditional, I know a lot of people doing coasters and ornaments, we wanted to do that. So that's our little workshop. So today I'm doing a snowflake because we're getting snowed in. So I bought these snowflakes from, you guessed it, Michael's. And I'm going to pour on the snowflake. So I'm going to decorate the snowflake, and it's okay if we get glitter on the painting. And then I'm hoping that it leaves the design, and then we'll pick it up, move it, and spread out the paint. I'm on a square canvas. I'm not used to a square canvas, or I've never done a square canvas. And I have it on a Lazy Susan, but we're not going to go cuckoo with the Lazy Susan because I don't have anything to keep the paint from splattering everywhere. So I just want it to generally spread out. So that's what we're doing. And so these are my colors. I'm going for snow colors. And I do have the cell activator. So we're going to layer the cup up just like we always do. And then just going to move that. I don't know if I'm going to need that. I'll put it over here. And then pour it over there. So what color do I want? I'm just thinking which one I want to end with. Okay. And this canvas should take about 9 ounces of paint. And this is about 12 ounces. So I got to keep that in mind. So, here we go. Holidays are looking a lot different than in the past, especially for my family. Not sure what's going to happen. It'll be different. I've got the purple. I'm only going to do the purple once. Just one little splash of purple. And this is that cell. This will hopefully make some cells. And we have a storm today. Filming day, there's a storm. Huh? We'll do the little splash of purple. So we've gotten some very generous donations. We're very thankful. Okay, so little technical difficulty. So I finished the cup. Here's the cup, all layered up. Hopefully the difficulties, we'll try to be quick about this. So I don't know what's going on with the camera. So I'm going to pour on here and we'll see what happens. I'm going to straight pour and then I'm going to swirl it out a bit. hopefully I have enough paint. Okay, so we're gonna let this, I'm gonna tilt it just to get on top of the snowflake. I want it to settle a bit. So while this is settling, I'm going to give you the special code. So for today's video, the code word is frosty. Okay, here's the word. Frosty is the code word. All right, so when you go into Beanstack and you're trying to earn your snowballs and it asks for the code word for today's video, it's frosty. Okay, so this isn't settling. Oh no. All right. I think I'm gonna spin it a little, even with the snowflake on here. We'll see what happens. Does it spin? Is my paint too thick? Could be. Could be too thick. We'll do this. I'm gonna take the snowflake out, I think, if I can find it. I have a little tweezers here. I think my paint was too thick. Okay, here we go. That's still pretty though. I think that's pretty. And I'm gonna put it over here to dry. And I'm gonna put some white so that obviously I think my paint's too thick, but we're still gonna try to spin it a little bit. Not crazily. Let me just grab a paper towel. So, here we go. You kind of can see the design. I don't know. I think I might try and tilt it a little bit this way. Yeah. All right. I gotta think. Which one? Don't want to get it on me. Okay. Well, not every painting is pretty. Getting there. I'm gonna have to tilt it. All right. All right. Well, I don't know. I like that part. I don't like that part. Well, maybe I can fix it. All right. I'm gonna see if I can do something on the bottom there. Well, not a very successful. The snowflake is nice, but I don't know about the painting. Don't like the painting. Anyway, you win some, you lose some, right? So it's all, we're always learning. So that's it for today. I hope you participate and get us snowed in at the library. And don't forget what the code word is. I already told you. And have fun. Create some gifts for people. And have a great day, everyone. Peace.